Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're scratching your head over the error code F134 on your Miele oven, especially the 2025 models, you're in the right place. This frustrating code can pop up and halt your baking plans, but don't worry, I'm here to break it down step by step so you can get back to cooking in no time. First off, let's talk about what error code F134 means. In Miele ovens, this code typically signals an issue with the oven's temperature sensor or possibly an overheating protection mechanism. It might be triggered by a faulty sensor, electrical glitches, or even something as simple as a buildup of dirt or residue affecting the internal components. For the 2025 models, Miele has incorporated advanced diagnostics, so this error could also relate to software updates or connectivity issues if your oven is smart enabled. Now, before you call in a professional, let's try some troubleshooting. Start by ensuring your oven is completely turned off and unplugged for safety. Wait about 5 to 10 minutes to let it cool down and reset. Once that's done, plug it back in and power it up. If the error persists, check the oven's vents and interior for any blockages like food spills or debris, which could be interfering with the sensor. Give everything a gentle clean with a soft cloth, avoid harsh chemicals to prevent damage. If cleaning doesn't help, you might need to perform a hard reset. Refer to your Miele user manual for the exact steps, but generally, hold down the power button for 10 to 15 seconds or follow the reset procedure in the settings menu. For 2025 models, check if there's a firmware update available through the Miele app, as outdated software can cause these errors. Remember, if you've tried these steps and the error code keeps showing up, it's time to contact Miele customer support or a certified technician. They can diagnose any underlying hardware problems. Safety first. Always handle electrical appliances with care to avoid risks. There you have it, folks. With these tips, you should be able to tackle error code F134 head-on. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home appliance fixes. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking.